How to block screenshots on WhatsApp profile picture. Now, this specific feature is very accessible and very easy thing to do. However, if you haven't updated your WhatsApp application, you won't be able to see this option. So go ahead and just update your WhatsApp. Make sure that you're currently running the latest version so that you can see this option. So just access your WhatsApp application and ensure that you logged into your account. Once you have successfully logged in, go to the three dots at the top right portion of your screen, which will take you out to your WhatsApp settings. Now, once you're in here, all you have to do is go to privacy and head over to profile photo. So as you can see, you can actually customize this if you would like everyone not to see your profile picture. My contacts except, and nobody. So if you would like everybody else, you don't want them to take any screenshots from your profile photo, just choose on nobody. And that's it. That's how easily you can go ahead and block screenshots on WhatsApp profile picture.